Hi, I'm Alex. Participating in elite sport has taught me many life lessons. One of those is that the more effort you put in up front, the better the results further down the line. In the world of rowing, that mentality has led to 2 Olympic gold medals, 5 World Championship titles, and a world best time. But can that same thinking apply to family cooking? I'm here with my kids, Jasper.
Hello.
And Daisy.
Hi.
And we're here to find out by trialling the big Sunday cook-up. We've set aside a couple of hours, give or take, this Sunday afternoon to cook together as a family to make healthy weekday meals much quicker and easier.
On Monday, we'll be having lamb koftas with homemade flatbread and hummus.
For Tuesday, it'll be roasted aubergine and chickpea tray bake with mackerel.
Wednesday, tomato baked sausage with Thai winter mash and peas.
For Thursday, we'll have tomato and chilli tagliatelle with rockets.
And we'll round the week off with family shepherd's pie with steamed veg on Friday. Mission accomplished. The big Sunday cook-up is done. Are you excited about eating the food?
Yes, because I made it.
And what about you, Jazz?
Because it looks really yummy.
If you fancy trying the big Sunday cook-up yourself, give it a go and share your creations using the hashtag below.